How to add music to Instagram story. It's pretty quick and easy. So before starting the video, subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your Instagram and make sure that you have a latest version of Instagram. Once you are on your Instagram, just click on little plus icon at the bottom of your screen and then you can see if you want to add any post, you can add any post. If you want to create your story, you can create story. You can record video on your story or you can add video from your gallery. Just I'm selecting video from my gallery. Here it's selected. Here you can see there's no option to add music. There's no direct music option. It's hidden in your stickers. Just click on your stickers and here you can see the music. If you didn't find it over here, just click on search bar and type music over here and you can see music. Just click on that one. You can add song of your choice. You can search for any song and you can drag it left and right. Which part of song you like to add in this video, you can drag it left and right. Once you have selected the part, just click on the done option at the very top of your screen and then it's ready to go. Just click on that arrow at the bottom of your screen and then share it to your story, or if you want to share it with your close friend, you can share it to your close friend. Hope this helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.